The latest iPhones unveiled by Apple look virtually identical to last year's models, but Apple hopes that what's underneath, new software that brings what it describes as artificial intelligence to the new phones, will persuade people to upgrade. Apple Intelligence, the company's new suite of AI services, automates tasks including generating images, rewriting emails, and summarizing web articles. Only the iPhone 16s unveiled on Monday or last year's iPhone 15 Pro can run the new software because older models are too slow to handle those tasks. The faster iPhone 16 devices start at $800 and will arrive in stores later. What if we told you there was another way to get the same perks? Long before Apple introduced Apple Intelligence at a software conference in June, many apps for automatically producing text and images have been widely available, relying on a technology known as generative AI, which predicts what words and images belong together to write a catchy poem or generate a realistic-looking photo of a cat on a windowsill, for instance. These types of services have been trendy for the last 2 years. By downloading a handful of apps, iPhone owners can get similar benefits and hold on to their older devices for longer. After we tested dozens of generative AI apps in the last year, here are our recommendations. Summarizing text. One of Apple Intelligence's most anticipated features is its ability to take large blocks of text and distill the main points into a few sentences. This capability could be useful for summarizing a lengthy web article or lecture notes. But there's already a popular tool for summarizing web articles, ArcSearch, a free browser developed by a startup. To test it, we loaded an 8,000-word feature from ProPublica about a chemist who blew the whistle on the manufacturer 3M. When we pinched the screen, the app generated a one-sentence overview of what the article was about, followed by 3 bullet points summing up the highlights. While the bullet points glossed over important details you would have gotten from reading the full article, we found the summary accurate. For summarizing notes, the free web app Humata AI has become popular among academic researchers and lawyers. By visiting humata.ai on a web browser, you can upload a document such as a PDF, and from there, you can type requests in a window to ask a chatbot to summarize the most important points. In response, the chatbot will show a digital copy of the PDF and highlight relevant portions to the text. Writing tools. Apple Intelligence also includes tools to rewrite text to make an email sound more professional, for instance. Lots of free apps can handle this task proficiently. The best known include the ChatGPT chatbot from OpenAI, along with rivals like Gemini from Google and Bing AI from Microsoft, all apps that can be downloaded in the App Store. Just paste your text into the app and ask the chatbot to rewrite it in a different tone by typing. For instance, make this email sound more personable for a client I've known for many years. For help with writing, we prefer a lesser-known tool, WordTune, from the startup AI2i Labs. Its interface, accessible on wordtune.com, is designed like a word processor for composing and editing text. You can type in a paragraph and click on buttons to expand, shorten, or rewrite sentences to sound more casual or formal. The app will show you a list of rewritten sentences to choose from. Image generation. Another of Apple Intelligence's hyped features is its ability to generate fun images, such as an emoji of yourself eating pizza to send to friends. Many options for generating images exist, including a tool that most iPhone users are likely already having, Meta AI. Meta's free chatbot that's included inside Instagram, WhatsApp, and its other apps. In the search bar at the top of Instagram, you can ask the chatbot to conjure images by typing imagine followed by a description. For instance, typing imagine me eating a steak. Meta will then load a tool to take photos of your face from multiple angles. It produced an obviously fake rendering image of someone salivating over a large, rare steak inside a restaurant. Other similar tools for typing prompts to generate images include Adobe Firefly, found on firefly.adobe.com, and ChatGPT. Photo editing. Another new Apple Intelligence tool can automatically remove photo bombers with the tap of a button. Google has offered a similar editing tool, Magic Eraser, inside its Google Photos photo album app for iPhone and Android users since 2023. Inside Google Photos, select your photo, tap the Edit button, and select the Magic Eraser tool. You can then circle the distracting objects or people that you would like to erase. We use Magic Eraser on a photo of a corgi in a dog park to remove the citation form from a police officer. It replaced the maddening piece of bureaucracy with some pine needles.